Hello you guys, today I'm going to be doing the herringbone technique, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Century of Light Progress Lightener by Davines, and I'm mixing this to 1 to 1.5 ratio. So I have my little setup here. I have my lightener, I'm going to have my clips, my foils, my foiling comb, and then a wide tooth comb just in case. So I'm going to start by sectioning my mannequin, and I'm gonna go off her parting. So I'm gonna change this later, but I'll tell you guys why. I'm gonna have the sides and then the top two sections, and then on the back I'm gonna be creating a V section. I'm gonna be doing a partial foil, and then those two back sections that I'm clipping right now, those will be if you were to do a full foil. Now, the herringbone technique is perfect because you don't have to know where your client parts. If they choose to part in the middle, this technique is great. If they are flippers, if they go from side to side, this is great. So that's why I am connecting these two sections together, because we don't need to know where she parts her hair. Either way, it's gonna look perfect, whichever side they wanna do. I'm gonna start working on the sides, and you'll see here that my partings are going to be a little bit more diagonal, and they're gonna start looking a little bit more horizontal as I move towards the top of the head. If you guys notice, my first foil on this section was slipping down, and so here I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's say your foil is moving down, you are just going to fold your foil as you will normally do, and then you are going to lift your foil, and right between that folded area, you're going to push your comb up, so that foil is going to move up, and then once you have done that, you can fold it again and just lock that foil in place. I'm gonna show you a couple more times during this video so you guys can see what it looks like too when your foil is actually moving. Onto the other side, and for all my visual people out there, please let me know if inserting those diagrams help. I know that for me it helps a lot. I'm a very visual person, so when I'm learning something new, I like to draw, or I like to see it visually before getting hands-on. Okay, so here I'm actually gonna show you what it looks like when your foil is slipping down. Okay, so it's slipping down. Don't freak out, just keep folding your foil as normal. Then go ahead and lift your foil up, and again place your comb right in that folded area and push up, and you guys can see there that the foil just got closer to the scalp. So that's just gonna prevent any bleeders, and it also helps because you don't want to take the entire foil out and then place another one, because that could also get messy. Onto the top of the head, I'm going to be taking diagonal partings, and I'm going to be doing 3 on one side and then 3 on the other side. So I'm going to be alternating every 3 foils. This is going to be my last foil on this side, so I have a total of 3 foils. And then I'm gonna move on to the other side and do 3 foils and just keep alternating side to side. Now again, the reason why I like this technique, it's because if a client has a part, like she parts right in the middle, this technique is perfect. But let's say you have those clients that flip their hair a lot and they switch their parting a lot, then this technique is great as well. It doesn't matter which way they decide to move their hair, they're gonna have even color throughout. So this is one of the reasons why I do like this technique. So if this is something new to you guys and you guys end up trying it on a client or a mannequin, I would love to see your work. So just, send me a message or DM me or tag me or something, because I would like to see you guys' work. So once I'm done with my 3 foils on this side, I'm actually gonna stop there and I'm going to combine whatever I have left from that top section with the back. So with that B section that we did, I'm gonna combine them together right there. If I were to do a full foil, this is how I would do it. I will work my way up diagonally on those 2 back sections. So on this section here that I connected with the top, I can go diagonal left or diagonal right, whichever you prefer, and work your way up. You can also do a little bit of horizontal sectioning going up. This will be up to you. I'm doing here a slightly bit diagonal, working from bottom up. And again, with any diagonal sectioning or parting, your grow out, it's a little bit more softer. If you were to do completely horizontal, your grow out, it's going to be a little bit more harsh. So the line of demarcation is going to look harsh. So it's just up to you, whichever you want to do, it's okay. So here I'm moving towards the top of the head, and you'll notice that my weavings are a little bit on the medium to fine, and also my subsections are medium to fine as well. I'm going to go for a blended, more blonde look, but if you wanted to have more of a dimensional look, then you want to leave your subsections a little bit bigger. So I'm onto my last foil and I'm going to choose to leave that last section. I'm not gonna foil that just because I feel like it's not it, I might end up with a bright piece right on the crown, so I'm leaving that out. So I shampoo my mannequin with purple shampoo and a little bit of blue shampoo and let it sit for 5 minutes just because I did not have the right toner with me. So this is the end result, very blended look. And if she chooses to flip her hair, if she chooses to part in the middle, it still looks really good and blended. So here I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the back. And again, I did not do anything on those two back sections. That it's only if you were to do a full highlight. And so I curl my mannequin's hair, and then here's a little bit of a close-up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it was helpful to all of you guys. There's a lot of ways you can foil. This is just one way. And so I'll be making more videos for you guys. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great day behind the chair. Thank you.